here and choosing ABC6. It is 6:43 on this Thursday morning. We have seen the progression of this fog all throughout the morning. You can't see anything out there because it's just getting thicker by the morning. And what is most interesting about this is there's a skyscraper in the background that usually sits perfectly over the capital city. You can't see it anymore because of this fog. Kelly, what is going on with this fog? How is it progressing through the day? When can we expect the rain that's coming down?
Yeah, and I know we keep using the shot and there's nothing to see, but that's kind of the whole point. We do have this locally dense fog in place. We have our temperature and our dew point have matched. That gives us a relative humidity of 100%, which we're seeing in the form of fog. Relative humidity of 100% means something's going on, and right now it's fog. It will lead to showers too. We've got those on the way. Now, when we're dealing with fog, the number we look for is quarter of a mile. Quarter of a mile visibility is enough to make for hazardous roads, and we have that in Westerly. We've got it in Newport. We're almost there at TF Green with visibility at half mile. We're at half mile visibility in New Bedford as well. So as the visibility keeps lowering in Warwick at the airport, it does mean we could see some delays possible in terms of air travel. So here's just what we have ahead. In addition to the fog, we're going to be bringing through some showers, and some of those showers could contain pockets of heavy rain. There's also the possibility of seeing thunderstorms today, and if we do get heavy rain and additional areas of heavy rain from thunderstorms, we could see poor drainage flooding or even flash flooding. So that's on the menu today as well. Again, this is a chance. It's not a guarantee, but something to just keep in the back of your mind if you're going to be out and about. Sunshine returns tomorrow. There's your silver lining, and so do the 80s, which are wicked awesome. Anyway, we have temps that are in the 60s. We have our dew points that are matching. Dew points that are in the mid 60s. It's the air you can wear out there. It is quite muggy, and you do feel it. It's palpable. There are your dew points again in the mid 60s across the region. We have 2 rounds of rain coming. The first is with this warm front. This is initially going to move through, and then we have this trailing cool front back here. So we're going to get a break in between the 2 fronts. That'll come in this afternoon, but for this morning, we're just watching the rain that will be developing, lifting from southwest to northeast. All along, we're expecting the heaviest of the rain to ride along the south coast this morning. That's also our best chance of picking up more than an inch of rainfall when all is said and done. Now, even though we have thunderstorms in the forecast, we're not expecting severe weather. Our thunderstorms are basically going to be big rainmakers, and again, that's why we have the potential of poor drainage flooding and also the potential of seeing some localized flash flooding if we do generate any thunderstorms. Here's just taking us through mid-morning, very slow moving, very intense areas of rainfall moving along the south coast. Otherwise, the rest of us get some showers that could at times be heavy at times. And then we bring through that cool front that will be coming through later on this evening into tonight, and that should bring through round 2. Now, as we go to tomorrow, this time tomorrow, we're going to start with some clouds, but we should clear them out. We are looking at a decent amount of sunshine for Friday. And as we go Friday into Saturday, this is important because it's Gatsby Parade Day. We're looking at sunshine, much more comfortable conditions, and temperatures at 8 a.m. that should be in the upper 50s. So we do have some good stuff coming. We just got to wait a little bit before we get there. So once we get by this area of low pressure, these 2 fronts today, we are looking at better conditions and temperatures that will be coming down this weekend. Humidity levels should be restored to much more comfortable levels this weekend as well. Cara?